Alright, so today we'll be unpacking Roomba 985 iRobot vacuum. Let's see, I already own one 980 and I want to get one extra for another house. Well, look at this, we got it at Costco for $4.50. The package looks pretty cool, but it looks exactly the same, guys, as the 980. It looks exactly like the one I have 980. I don't know why they changed it. I have to look it up. There's the same filter. Same rollers. Yeah, exactly the same. I'm not sure why they did it 985. Maybe it's upgrade in software, which we're gonna find out. And it's about the same base. Yeah. Here are some extra parts. Let's see. We have a cable, power cable. Just connects to the wall outlet. Yeah, exactly the same functions. We have one wall sensor, invisible wall sensor that just prevents Let's plug in, let it charge, and see how well it performs. Hopefully the same way as 980, guys, and this is going to be awesome. It's 980 we spent about $900 a few years ago. Yeah, carpet boost system. Looks exactly the same. I'm so surprised. Alrighty, let's check it out and put it on test. Your base over, that's not going to be on the way, and the cable, you want to make sure it's kind of strapped. It's better. Let's put it on the charger. Alright. Cool, and it starts charging right away. See that light blinking? That indicate the Roomba is charging. Let's get our phone and try to connect to the app. Alright guys, so we're gonna go to iRobot app. And I already have two robots. Roomba 980 and i7, and we're gonna just add the robot, and out of those options we're gonna select just Wi-Fi connected. That's the first one, and the application gonna go guide you through. So we continue here. So we're gonna name it 985, so we actually want to know which room it is. Okay. And next, connect your phone to Wi-Fi. So make sure your Wi-Fi and the phone connected on the same network. Now we connected. Connect Roomba 985 to Wi-Fi. So what we're gonna do is actually telling me that I'm connected to my home network. It's called Village. So I'm gonna go yes and continue. This is the one we want to use. If you want to change, you still have options to change it. Done. And this is what the application wants you to do. It wants to come back to the robot and press two buttons together. So press and hold spot and home for 2 seconds and then release, and you will hear a sound. So we're going back to the robot and press two of these together for 2 seconds, 1 and 2. So we had the sound, and after we continue. We need to connect the robot to the phone, so we're going away from the app again to our Wi-Fi settings and connecting to the iRobot network. So as you go to Wi-Fi settings, you're gonna get some sort of the Roomba and then bunch of numbers behind. This is the network they're asking you to connect, so we're gonna connect to this one.
You are now connected to Roomba. Please use the iRobot app to complete setup.
We go back to the Roomba app. It actually automatically shows that. That's very interesting. All right, so now
your Roomba is now online and ready for personalization.
Cool. So now, wow, look at this. Setup is complete and not easy. Just easy like that. So finish and we're good to go. Wow, look at this. Battery too low to start because we just put it on the charger. So we're gonna let it sit and let the battery charge. There is one notification. Let's check what it is. Common questions. Log in and create account. So basically gives you some heads up and information. That's pretty cool. Actually, I like that. The only thing I'm wondering with this Roomba app is if this new Roomba 985 actually gonna use this new app as an i7. So let's check the difference. So 980, we have schedule, history, help, settings. If we go to the i7, i7 has a different type of application that has a smart app, and the smart apps actually have the rooms options and selections. So look what we did with i7 robot. We have all the upstairs set up with different bedrooms, and I can click only one bedroom and clean only one bedroom, and I have downstairs, and I can set for downstairs which area I want to clean. So this is what's really cool about i7, and probably the other version Roomba. I mean, at least it looks like the same. I want to find out what's the difference between these two, but i7 is a newer self-cleaning, self-emptying the bin option there, so you can click on that and it's just gonna empty the bin. You probably can hear that. It's just start pulling in the other room all the dust from the bin.